Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 real passive income ideas. If you're looking to make money online while you sleep, you better watch this video. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be revealing or sharing with you 3 real passive income ideas. If you're looking to make money online, these are the best ways to make money while you sleep. Something that you need to take into consideration is that at the beginning you need to put the work, okay? You need to put the hours. It's not something that magically it's gonna happen. You need to put the hours, you need to do some research, you need to do some preparations in advance, right? And after everything is up and running, yes, there's some maintenance that you will need to do, but you don't have to be, all day long, 8 hours every single day working online. So this is something that you need to take into consideration. If someone told you like, hey, you know what, this is it, and just sign here, and in the next few minutes you're gonna be making $10,000, please be a little bit skeptical, okay? Take that into consideration. Well, the first way is by doing drop shipping. Maybe you are not aware of this, but not so long ago I used to have a really successful online store, and I was doing drop shipping. I was actually buying products from China, and from China they delivered to the US or to the country that I decided, well, where the customer was. It was great, but there were some things that, if you are considering doing this model, that you need to take into consideration. First of all, how do they receive the payments? Not everybody's going to be taking payments on PayPal. Sometimes they take payments offline. Sometimes they do have their own wallets, and this is something that you need to be kind of prepared, because we are not familiar with them. So you better ask all the questions. I know that there are some people who go to AliExpress, Alibaba, and all this kind of websites to do their drop shipping. Please make sure that you're gonna read the refund policies, the delivery time. Avoid the free shipping. To be honest, the free shipping is really bad. It can take a lot of time. Quote unquote, you're gonna be saving money, but remember that you are the middleman, right? You are the middleman, but for the customer, you are the actual store. You're supposed to have it, okay? You're gonna be doing the customer service depending on the product that you are gonna be, send them. And please make sure that you have everything clear, right? Please make sure that you have everything clear. This is something that I learned, right? The other thing is the holidays. That's really, really, really important. I have kind of troubles with the holidays, because the holidays are different there than here, but it can work, okay? Depending on the products, you will need to do more or less customer service, okay? Let me tell you my experience. I was selling sneakers, triple A quality, really good quality, to be honest. I was selling also jerseys, t-shirts, bags, and sometimes they were asking questions about the quality of the product, the shipping day, the delivery by day. They were asking me about the sizes, because every single brand have their own chart. It can be, sometimes you can be like a 7 here, and you can be a 7.5 on the other one, or maybe an 8. So you need to pay attention, like which is the product that you are gonna be promoting. The other thing is that these are physical products, and you need to take into consideration that sometimes the margins aren't that big. And if you're running ads, because you need to run ads, right? Maybe your profits are the beginning aren't going to be that great, but don't worry, because you can what you can do is you can retarget them, or you can do email marketing. Okay, you're already going to have a buyer list, and you're going to have some kind of promotions for them, or let them know like, hey, you know what, now I have this other product that you might be interested. My advice, if you decide to go with drop shipping, is to create a funnel. Okay, you can create a funnel. Actually, my favorite funnel builder right now, it's Builderall. If you want to give it a try, I'm gonna leave a link below. Right, you can create a funnel, so you know, like, okay, I'm gonna put money in, maybe I'm gonna lose money, I'm gonna lose money at the beginning, maybe I'm gonna break even, but if they keep shopping, you know, because they're gonna follow the funnel, I'm gonna be making profits. Okay, so this is another thing that you need to take into consideration whenever I explain or people hear about dropshipping. They think in a different way, or they are wondering like how people can actually make money if the margins aren't this great. Okay, so take into consideration is that you need to build an email list. This is a must. Okay, and you need to create a funnel if you really want to make money online. It is great to have a store, right? But if you really want to make money online, you need to have a funnel. Okay, you need to have a funnel. You can have your store, you can email them later on, like letting them know like you have all these other products. The problem with the stores is sometimes that it's like um, you have too many options, right? And they couldn't decide. But if you go um, to have a funnel, you can target way better your traffic, so you're gonna have way better conversions. Okay, another way is by selling online courses. I do have a couple of online courses myself. Maybe you're not aware of it, but yes, I do have some online courses. I like this model way better because this is digital products. So this is not something that I need to be like stressing out because people need this product by Friday. I need to pay rush shipping. And what about if my dropshipper supplier do not cannot deliver? Or if I decide to take some days off, I'm not paying attention, you know. With online courses, this is something that I can do as well. Um, the system that I'm using to do my online courses is actually Builderall again. If you want to check it out, there's gonna be a link below. And the system takes everything. It processes the payment, it creates the username, it creates the password, so I don't have to worry about it, and the profit margins are greater. Another thing that you need to take into consideration whenever you do an online course is that you don't have to be some kind of guru. You don't have to be some kind of master. Okay, you are already an expert. There is something that you're really good at, and you just need to do that. Teach that. That's it. If you are great at bakery, because everybody love, you know, how you bake a cake, how you do like the decorations, everything, do a course about that. There are tons of people who really don't know how to do it. I am one of those, and I might buy your course than others. Do not overcomplicate it. Like, okay, let's say I'm gonna do a video course, but I don't have the best camera. Don't worry about that. Just do it, right? Just do it. Start selling that course. What you can let your audience know, like, is like, hey, you know what? This is not the best quality videos, I know, right? But the content is great. They're gonna appreciate the content, and if later you decide to do an upgrade, you can do an upgrade on that course, and you can give your previous buyers that content for cheap or for free, right? The other thing as well is that you need to create an email list of leads, and you need to create an email list of buyers, because you can keep building courses. If you aren't proud about the course that you create, that's okay. That happened to me as well, but that means that I'm releasing the course on the very at the time that I supposed to. If I'm telling like, hey, you know what, this is perfect, this is great, it's because I'm taking too much time of it. And maybe let's say that I'm teaching some kind of software, the software just upgrades and now my content is out of date. You know, the other thing is that, hey, an online course is not only a video course, it can be a PDF. You can do a webinar. Maybe you're going to be doing a live event once per month, and then you can start selling the recordings of these live events as well. So there are different ways to do it. don't worry, the first one is not gonna be the best. Maybe you're gonna be like, wow, the content was great, but I know I can do it better. It's gonna come with the time. And again, the margins on an online course, although you need to put money on if you want, because you can create another type of content, as well. Maybe you can do bloggings, maybe you can do YouTube videos, but the profit margins are way better. Okay, you can also set up your own membership site, and you know that you're going to be getting recurring customers. That's another way to grow. So online courses is great. If you're into it, I suggest you to go ahead and jump. The third one is my favorite one, is affiliate marketing. And by the way, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check out, it's going to be the very first link in the description. For me, affiliate marketing is a game changer. This is something that I started a year ago, and it has helped me a lot. It has helped me a lot. Not all affiliate products are equals, and this is something that you need to understand. I know that every single time we mention affiliate marketing, most people go ahead and think about ClickBank, think about Amazon. Let me tell you something about Amazon. Amazon is great. You can make good money with it, but you will need to send a lot of traffic if you are really serious about making money with Amazon, because right now they are paying between 5 to 10%. So what does this mean? If someone purchase $100 product, you're going to be making just $5 to $10. That's it. And if Amazon, they keep selling people, they keep sending emails to people like, hey, you know what, now that you buy this product, there is another product that you might be interested in. You're not going to be getting any kind of commission of those products. So you are going to be referring the product, but the product is not yours. So since you do not own the product, you are not going to be making money on every single sale. There are other type of products that are low end ticket commissions. These are digital products in which you're going to be making, again, $10, $15, $20. I know a lot of people are tempted with those products because they're quote unquote easier to sell, but let me tell you something, it is as easy as hard to sell a high-end ticket product as a low-end ticket product. What's a high-end ticket product? It's a product in which people need to pay $1,000, $2,000 or more, and you're going to be making a greater commission. Okay, you are going to be making a great weather commissions. By the way, do not do the mistake that I was doing at the beginning. I was like, oh my god, I cannot afford that. I'm not gonna sell it because I cannot afford that. Hey, if you cannot afford it right now, because things have changed for me, I can tell you, hey, there are other people out there who are looking for those products because they understand the value, they understand the quality, they understand that those products are really gonna help them. They are really serious about their business as the way you're supposed to be. And if you are not offering them, you're gonna lose the sale. Okay? But if you have the options, people are gonna buy it. There are also products that I love that these are monthly recurring commissions in which you're gonna be getting monthly recurring commissions. Why? Because for me that's an actual business. Okay? It's like right now you're paying your phone bill, you're paying your internet every single month, right? So like you can refer 10 people now, they're gonna stay, then on the next month you're gonna refer another 10 people. So it's gonna be like a snowball effect. More money is gonna be coming in, right? The other thing is that you need to understand that whenever you're doing affiliate marketing, the product that you're going to be promoting, it needs to provide a solution. Okay, it needs to provide a solution. You can promote it by doing YouTube videos, you can promote it on Instagram, you can go to Facebook groups, you can do blogging. Okay, so depending on where did you create the content, this content is going to be working for you 24/7. And again, it's going to be creating a snowball effect because maybe you're blogging 3 times per week. So on the very first week, you're going to have 3 articles, but by the end of the month, you're going to have 12 articles, right? And by the end of the year, you're going to have 156 articles if my math is not wrong, right? So as you can see, it's going to be a snowball effect. More people are going to find your content, more people are going to start buying the products that you are referring. So again, if you want to know what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some questions, some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And these were the 3 ways in which I suggest you to make money online if you really want to make passive income. I see you on the next video.